Hi everyone! In this video we are going to work with who, but we are going to use the auxiliary of future time will. Remember, the means of will, it doesn't have a meaning, no tiene un significado. This auxiliary is of future time, es el auxiliar del futuro certain, certero. Well, for this auxiliary, este auxiliar is going to change our verbs from present to future time. For example, like comer, comeré, correr, correrá, right? So, or something like this. And usually we're going to use the subject, will, and the verb. But in this case, I'm going to work with these words, like first, then, after that, and finally. We are going to use them at first of the sentence, like primero, después, después de eso, o después, y finalmente. Yes? And after that, we can use the subject, the auxiliary will, and the verb in simple form. Remember, a verb in simple form, it is infinitive form verb. Es un verbo en infinitivo. Just in Spanish, it is like I'm presente, right? So, for example, we are going to use first. I'm going to work with first. After that, I'm going to use a person. My person, it is I. First, I will. And we are going to use wake up. For example, primero me levantaré. This is one sentence. So, then, we can use then, person, I will, I'm going to pass here, take a shower. Yes, it is después, me bañaré. We have to use after that. I'm going to start. After that, I will maybe watch TV. Yes? Yo veré televisión. And we are going to use finally, I will verb help, and as a complement, my mom. They are connectors to structure a big sentence or a big idea. Estos van a ser auxiliares que nos van a ayudar a conectar to give more information, para dar más información. Yes, y si se dan cuenta, empezamos con first, la persona, will y verbo. That's all. And then we have to use then, la persona, will, verbo. Yes? Después pusimos after that, persona, will, verbo. Podemos usar un and, que significa y. Usamos el conector finally, finalmente, la persona, will, verb, and the complement. That's all. Did you observe? No, that's good. And after that, we have to work with who will. Yeah? And this is just to make a question. When I have who, we don't have to use a person. Cuando nosotros estamos trabajando con who, no utilizamos persona, porque who significa quién. Por lo tanto, vamos a buscar a la persona. And we have to start with who. This is the formula. Who will, and the verb in simple form, complement, and we are going to finish with our question mark. Yeah? For example, when I have to start, it is who will and work. Who will work? And we have to finish with it. I'm going to use who, right? Other, we have who, can, will, verb, help, but if you pay attention, it's easily. Then we have to work with our student book. Vamos a trabajar con nuestro libro del estudiante in the pages 74 and 75. For this one, we have to read all the lecture. Tenemos que leer, so the lecture, la lectura, and we have to answer these questions. If you check it, we have to use first, then, after that, and finally. Yes? And that's all for this book. Then, we have to work with the activity book. According to the lecture, de acuerdo a la lectura de lo que nosotros saquemos, la idea principal, we have to structure questions using who. Vamos a estructurar preguntas utilizando who y las imágenes de la gallina. Ajá. Siguiendo, obviamente, la regla gramatical de who que les acabo de enseñar. Posteriormente, vamos a trabajar en el ejercicio 4B and says, answer the questions in 4A to write the story. Vamos a tener que contestar las preguntas de la actividad 4A. Ajá, y vamos a usar los conectores first, primero, después de eso y finalmente. And we have to structure the sentence. Y aquí vamos a estructurar las oraciones. Yes, my dear students. So, for today that the class is over. Por el día de hoy, por este momento, la clase terminó. And you have to give me tienen que dar one audio when you have to structure me one idea using these four connectors. And you have to give me your idea like this. Mediante un audio me vas a estructurar una idea que conecte con primero, después de eso y finalmente. ¿Sales? So, my dear students, that's all for today. Eso es todo por hoy. Have a nice day. Goodbye.